Welding. It's one of several areas where McAllen ISD parents can become certified. Rafael Flores has 2 children in McAllen ISD. In the summer of 2018, he decided to take advantage of a free welding class in order to earn extra income.
When I first started this class, I didn't know anything about welding. I mean, I was like in zeros. Now, since we start off the class, we start from all the way from safety, using fireproof clothes, gloves, fireproof gloves, and some other protection that will help you to stay, first of all, safe, and to do your work more efficient.
He is one of about 10 parents who recently earned their welding certificates.
I thank God. I'm so proud that the McAllen district gave me the opportunity to continue my adult education, since many of us, or parents like me, didn't finish college or didn't fulfill a degree. These vocational courses will help a lot to improve or increase the income on our families.
The classes are offered through a partnership with South Texas College.